Friends and subscribers, it is Friday, March 30th, 2012. Hello again from Asia. Today I want to show you a couple of new small purchases that I made of silver. And the first one is from Gold History, which is a company that I've just become familiar with in the past year or so. And they're a company that does mostly collectible silver and gold items. They're usually higher premium and things that are related to Chinese culture. And they don't issue any government-issued coins or bars or whatnot, but they make high-quality stuff. And so that's why I took a look and made a purchase. The packaging is, of course, nice. The presentation is always pretty good in China, even if the actual product or service is not. So let's take a look inside and see what we've got. It is a Lunar Year Dragon coin. It's a traditional Chinese coin because of the hole in it. And saw it just on a walk by and decided that this was something that I wanted to get as a collectible or something to keep. The premium's a little bit high. It's not actually a full ounce. It's only a third. It's a 10-gram coin. But the price was okay, and I liked it, so I bought it. Call it an impulse buy, but when it's an impulse buy and you're buying real assets, it's quite okay. Here's the certificate of authenticity, which doesn't really mean much unless you're buying it from a reputable dealer. That's the most important thing. This set of coins in gold and silver are limited edition. They're everywhere from 10 grams, 20 grams to the full ounce, all the way up to a 1 kilo, just like this. And I like it. It's very handsome, and I'm glad to have found it. Next purchase is from China Gold Coin, and this is their new bags that just came out today, actually. That's the one thing I love about China, is that there's so many coin programs for everything that they do, whether it be a holiday, space program, or whatever. There's so many collectible coins here that if you're a gold or silver bug, this is like being in heaven, because I've never seen so much product in my life. So let's see what we got here. First thing is from the Royal Canadian Mint, and for some of you this is going to look real familiar. It is another Year of Dragon lunar coin, but this one is special because it's limited edition. It's the $15 Canadian fine silver Year of Dragon coin. There's only 48,888 of these minted, and I love the design. I love the quality and the presentation of the coin, the packaging, so I bought it. You can buy it at the Royal Canadian Mint online or through your bullion dealer. It will cost you about $99 Canadian before shipping, and it's really quite a nice coin, and it's 0.9999, which is why I often do try to get Canadian mint products because of the purity. It's very important. You have the COA and brochure on this, and very nice. I'm happy with it. Not something I'm going to sell. In my perspective on getting into gold and silver, physical is that there's stuff that I'm going to keep as collectible stuff, and there's stuff that I'm going to sell when the time comes. And the stuff I'm going to sell is going to be the government issue coins, bullion coins, raw bullion bars, and things of that nature. But stuff like this I will take with me to my grave, so to speak, because it's not something that is considered a good buy if you're looking to invest in gold and silver, because the premiums on these two coins that I just showed you are higher than I would recommend you to take. So let's look at last but not least, a little heavier, but I really like this as well. It's a Lunar Year of Dragon silver bar, 50 grams, and comes in a case like this. When you pull out, there's a scroll there that changes, and very nice presentation. I don't know if you can see that or not, but these are popular with China Gold Coin Inc., which is probably the most reputable bullion dealer in all of China for these type of products. And the bar is 50 grams. They come in 100 grams all the way up onto 1,000 gram bar. Looks nice. High premium, but it's worth it for a collectible. If I was going to buy some bigger bars, of course I would just get raw bullion bars with a mint seal on them, COA or no COA. I would just buy them for an investment saving store of wealth. But this is not something that you're going to want to resell, just something to collect regardless of what happens with silver. So where's silver going? I think we're in a period of consolidation. I think we can all agree on that. There's two camps and there's two fields of thought. One of them is that silver is destined to rise here soon and test the all-time high again. And there's another camp that says that we're in a period of a little bit of deflation, and the time period for the deflation is unknown, but we could see lower prices on gold and silver for the time being, and they could test the lows and reestablish a new trading range. That doesn't really bother me at all because, again, we're in it for the long term. I hope you are. So just expect that there's going to be some buying opportunities, and regardless if it's going to trade in a higher range or it's going to consolidate some more, you're still going to have those opportunities in the short term to load up on some more product. So that's it. 3 purchases for this past week, and see what happens. Silver's at 32 even now in Asian trading, and gold is at 1,662 per ounce. So until next time, keep stacking, my friends.